Hello everyone. So again, it's been a very long time since I last posted on YouTube, but just to let you know that I still progressed a lot with the workshop. I didn't post yet any official videos or any edited videos from the workshop, even though I have all the material recorded. So just to let you know what I'm doing now, what is the current status of the workshop, what are my current challenges, and what's gonna happen next. I'll give you a brief tour of the workshop as it is now. Very big mess, but nothing compared with what it was a few days back or a few weeks back. I'm starting to put everything in place. I'm starting to find a place for all the tools. I'm starting to arrange the layout, and once I decide on some aspects, I'm trying to implement them. What I did so far, it is to arrange all the small stuff here. So this is the epoxy stuff area here. Then here I have all kind of other miscellaneous stuff, like I don't know, U-brackets, bearings, some legs, and some bigger components for the furnitures. Also other crafts components like for candles and for leather. And here finally the screws area with the metric screws, and here will be the wood screws. Of course this will be the area for other components related to that, like drill bits and like screwdriver bits. What else? Here the meter store station where you normally it would be. And then here I plan to buy a bench drill press, and here would be all the other stuff related to that, like drill bits. What else? Here in this big shelf I've tried to arrange all the power tools, so I will try to. These are all the supplies for the power tools, or all the accessories like steel brush, like stuff for hot glue, like drill accessories, like polish discs, and so on. And here I need to find a way how to put all the power tools in a handy way. Here of course another supplies for the, or another accessories for the power tools, like stuff for routers, stuff for angle grinder, and so on and so forth. Here just some scrap stuff, metal and plastic. This shelf here would disappear once I find a place for everything. This is just some wood tiles and some other stuff from wood that it will go in this place once I get rid of this dishwasher machine. The scrap wood cart is already there for different sizes. Here again some things that I need to get rid of, and this will happen anytime soon. But now I need to continue and putting all the things that I know where they will come to. For instance, here in this part I have all the things related to whatever could be needed in a household. So stuff for painting, the painting gun, maybe some dovels, and some other accessories for that, some silicone behind there. And what I did when we moved and I dismantled the kitchen, I have this plywood drawer that I've noticed it could fit very well here. And my next step is to install this drawer. I also have a lot of drawer rails here, also from dismantling the kitchen. And I plan to install this and to put here maybe small stuff like dovels, and then to use a space below for big stuff like paint buckets, maybe some cement, maybe some, you know, all kind of stuff. So don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel, because whatever you see here and whatever progress I did, including all the build of these rooms for electronics, including the build of all the meter saw station, including the build and the arrangement of all the stuff in here, will be published soon. It will take me maybe 1 or 2 more months to set up my things at work, to set up my things at home, and then I could invest a lot more time in showing you guys what I did here, how I did here, and also a lot of upcoming projects related to furniture, decorations, and so on that I will show to you. Subscribe and stay tuned. Cheers!